Okay, we're gonna do an analysis on this thing today. I believe this is late 1930s, early 1940s. Silvertone 3-band radio, and somebody has replaced the dial cord with a twine, but it works. And this came out of that big haul we brought home. Here's the cabinet. Cabinet's in really rough shape. And I need to pull the speaker out because it's a field coil job. It's a Silvertone model 14783. It's 502. And let me turn the heater off real quick. It's gonna make a whole bunch of noise. Oh, got some hint of virus. There we go. Get some diseases going. And this is a 2 IF set. Actually, technically it might be a 4 IF set because it uses 4 IF tubes. No, 3, sorry. 1, 2, 3. That's your detector, AVC, and preamp for the audio stage. And it uses a 6U5 I-tube, magic I-tube. I always love magic I-tubes. Sure. Volume, station select, tuning, and I don't know, but this one's broken. Probably tone. Six X5, 6V6. I can't remember what this is. Can't remember what that is. I believe that's a 6A8 and a 6K8. Big honking IF cans. Lots of nice and juicy old. Ooh, look at that resistor. Old parts. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Paper caps plus 2 electrolytics. And whatever that is. What is that? Might be a resistor. I don't see any block capacitors, so this is already better than a Philco. But plenty of dog bone resistors, and I believe that those are the shortwave coils. See, somebody's done a UL approved cord replacement job. And since this is in such bad shape, look at the dial, it's just eaten. I believe somebody was going to restore the cabinet and then they backed out for some reason and just like put the thing outside or something, or in a barn or something, because the plate, this plate is missing and one of the knobs is missing, and I believe some other hardware is missing too. And the speaker was unplugged, and you know, it looked like the chassis was ready to come out, and they just gave up on it. But a lot of the screws looked like they'd been recently taken out. There's the back. I believe you call this a chair-side radio. See, this is all gone. And somebody's restapled that. Yes, I believe you call this a chair-side radio. The cabinet's in very bad shape. Again, looks like it was outside for a period of time. Here's your speaker. One of the pins is broken. Turn it around. It's you know, a very mid-century radio. It's just in very, very bad shape. Kind of looks like an old heater, water cooler, radiator. Something you'd see, you know, a 30s house. But, yep. Silvertone, so is Sears. So, I believe the AM loop antenna is in there too. Or does this thing use a long wire? I don't know. Oh, it uses a long wire. I was wondering where the antenna was. I couldn't find it. And this has the original Silvertone branded eye-tube in it, and it looks absolutely fried too. As well as the original Silvertone audio output. I believe most of these are Silvertone branded. The rectifiers even, geez, it had quite a bit of hours on it. Even the rectifier is branded Silvertone, so they probably got their use out of this thing. But so let me pull the speaker out and we'll get going on this thing. Well, she's not in too good a shape. Oh, yeah, the voice coil's stuck too. Well, I think I used up all my compressed air. I was gonna kind of try to blow it out. Yeah. Got a rubbing voice coil. Might try to blow that out. But yeah, speaker's kind of toast. Probably need to get it reconed. Anyway, the grommets on the tuner are shot too. Anyway, first things we're gonna do is we're gonna test all the tubes. So let's do that. It's our 6A8 Silvertone branded tube shorts. Thought I saw it glowing there for a second. E50. Okay, emission. A little on the weak side. No grid leakage, so this one will stay. This is a Raytheon branded 6K7. Shorts. Oh. Emissions. About 90%. It's a brand new tube. No grid leakage. Yeah, this one will stay. Here's another 6K7. And this is the Silvertone, Super Silvertone branded. It has a date of 1945 on it. Emissions are good. This thing's got a ton of hours on it too. Look at that. No grid leakage. Shorts. Five was lit up there for a second. Good emissions. No leakage. This one's good. This is a 6B6. Super Silvertone first audio tube. This is the first section. First we'll check for shorts. No shorts. Emissions. Super emission. 6B6 so E 10 0 G50 5 and O. Good. A little bit of grid leakage there. It's actually climbing. Must be a leaky socket though. Shorts. Here the cathode lit up for a second. G50 and G40. Strong. A little bit of grid leakage. Shorts. Yeah, a little bit. It looks like here the cathode might be a thing. Yeah, that's it. Good tube. 6V6 first audio tube. Audio output tube, sorry. A little bit on the tired side emissions, no shorts, no grid leakage. I'm going to be variacing this death trap. Plug her in. 0. Watt meter. Watt. 124 volts. These are running a little bit high today. 4 watts is the variac. Gonna get the knobs so it's easier to do. On off. Tune. And band select. I have it on American, which is standard AM. And F foreign is 1.8 to 6 megacycles. Actually, it's called police band. And foreign is 6 to 18. So we got it on. Tune it to about 1150. On, volume all the way up. Ooh. You know, 41 watts at not even 10 volts. You think one of these filters is bad? Think the filter capacitor's shorted? Yeah. Variac is not liking that. So let's actually do a check P plus to ground. Okay, I figured out what this is. It's a line capacitor. So that could be shorted. Let's turn the power switch off. So let's take a ohm meter and ohm that thing out. Okay, this is going to be really hard to do with one hand. No, it's not that. It's open. Let's check from B plus to ground. So open. Let's just check our. Okay, we got a connection. All right, our first filter is there. Connects here. There's our problem. Shorted filters. At least one. And that is going to be a world of trouble trying to get that thing out. We got all sorts of crunchy wires. Yep. Shorted. And that side looks like it goes into the transformer. That's the ground. This must be the positive wire. Yep, sure enough, it's shorted straight to ground. So let's take our clips and clip it out and see if the short clears. Nope. Great. Where does the other side of this filter go? Trying to map this out. There it is. I see it. Goes. Stand by. Okay, found the short. Okay. Got the cord fitted on here. About 30 volts. Let it drop for a second. I just cut the cord and spliced it in. And remember, this capacitor is removed from circuit, so we're gonna have some hum, obviously. Bring it up to about 50. See some illumination. Nothing out of the speaker yet. I don't think our rectifier's hitting. There he goes. Still nothing. It's full voltage. iTube is completely dead. I bet if I stuck a 65 in there, it'd start lighting up. Yeah, nothing out of the speaker. Just hum. Not even any buzz off the audio. This doesn't feel like it's getting plate voltage either. Wait a minute.
machinery is a goal for this year, the folks at Dollar Car Rental can help you create new memories safely. Dollar thoroughly scrubs and sanitizes. It meets their clean guarantee. They're committed to your safety, so you can pack up the family and hit the road assured. And now, through February 5th, 25% off the base rate on rentals picked up through the end of April.
Really?
Ramsey to book. That's dollar.com/Ramsey.
Jeez, it's even like sensitive too. But I don't think that dial placement's right. That's
/Ramsey. That's dollar.com
supposed to be there.
/Ramsey. People are
Just think anything on shortwave. No, nothing there. No. Shortwave's dead.
That's why I'm a huge fan of ZipRecruiter. When you post a job on ZipRecruiter, it gets sent out to over 100 job sites with one.
Oh, it just died.
Screening for you. Get the help you need at ZipRecruiter.com/Ramsey. You can even try ZipRecruiter for free. That's ZipRecruiter.com/Ramsey. When they ask, why did you go anywhere else? Slogan, they mean it with the one. Students. They mean it with the quality instruction and programs of study they offer. They mean it with their affordable tuition.
Jeez,
They mean it when they want to live up to the mission of serving all students in the best way possible. Now you can look elsewhere, but when you ask your friends, your family, or anyone else that has ever attended Johnny,
I don't think I see the filament lighting. Nope. Oh, our filament isn't lighting on the 6. Is it U5?
So, if you're disabled and unable to work, call now to get started with your free, no-obligation consultation. 800-380-4429. 800-380-4429. 800.
Try 6E5.
That's 888.
I ain't getting no filament. Oh, there we go.
Talking about life and money. When it comes to making big life changes like buying a,
It works.
you have, drum roll please, the right insurance coverage. I get it. They're overwhelming. What would be even more overwhelming is to find yourself in debt. You and your family weren't properly covered. Not having the time or energy is what's keeping you from getting the right insurance coverage. An independent agent shops a variety of insurance, finds you the best, and explains all the technical lingo so you know exactly what you're getting for free. Do text insurance to 33789 to get connected with an ELP and let a pro help you find the coverage that fits your life. That's Pennsylvania. Jonah, what's going on? How can I help?
Hi, thank you for taking my call.
Fortunately, the filament's open in our magic eye tube. That filter's getting hot. So that sucks. filament's open. They ran the life out of it. Okay, I have a brand new 6E5 right here. I'll chop in.
ggh.net. Doing taxes can feel stressful and what do you do?
Tools all the way up to 1800.
Uncle Joe. Getting married, having a baby, or getting a new job. They'll also help you protect your assets and help you reach your financial goals in the future. If you want to know your taxes
Brightness
are
of the
done right,
tube just went up and down.
connect with one of our endorsed.
Should I wait till night and see if it'll get
Tonight's the night. First time in 11 months, there will be Marion High School sports. Tonight, the Wildcat boys basketball team will be on the road to take on the Centralia Orphans in the season-opening basketball game for both teams.
I don't know what that is.
COVID altered 2021 boys basketball season.
Tone.
Tonight's game tips off at approximately 7:30 p.m. You can listen to the game right here on Monster Radio, WGG.
So there you go.
Pre-game coverage starting at
19. We'll go with 1942. Maybe earlier than that, probably 30s. 1930, late 30s, early 40s, Silvertone. Raggio.
Johnston City girls basketball team.
Took it a minute.
Tonight, Lady Indians added a game.
We'll do a restoration series on it. But anyways, thanks for watching.